para pong the way we see it, it would be an awkward position on the part of the President to voluntarily call for special session, considering that there is this ongoing intrigues that the President is behind the impeachment proceedings. So it is better for the Senate to request the President, considering that even the President made this pronouncement that if the Senate will ask him to call for a special session, he will do so.
Pero ma'am, yung word na forthwith, yung immediate, isn't it enough basis to call for a special session?
Okay. Marami pong ano dito, marami pong mga iba-ibang klase ng opinion. But if you will look and read the provisions of the Constitution, you will see po, to forthwith proceed. Alright? Pero wala pong makikitang time element. Is it to forthwith proceed even during recess? Because they can proceed definitely if there is session. There's no question about that. But to proceed during recess, gray area po yan sa Constitution. So they may forthwith proceed after the recess. Pag may session po, walang problema eh. They have to do. But during the recess, wala po sinasabi ng Constitution na you have to call for special session to proceed with the impeachment proceedings or with the impeachment trial. Wala po kasing gano'n nakasabi sa Constitution.
Last lang, ma'am. If and when merong special session, is it legal to call, magkaroon ng impeachment trial? Is it legal na magkaroon ng special session considering na the agenda is limited sa impeachment trial, hindi yung sa legislation?
Meron din po dalawang school of thoughts dyan. Pero kung papasinin niyo po ang Constitution, the President may call special session anytime. So with that, hindi lang po ito limitado sa kung may urgency patungkol sa bill or legislation, but we believe it is also it includes also the impeachment trial. Kasi it's anytime without any condition.
May request na ba ngayon, ma'am?
Wala pa po kami natatanggap.
Thank you.